I get people all the time telling me they are new to crypto and they want to know how to get started. Then after I talk with them for a minute, I realize they're not just new to crypto, but new to investing. How do you handle investing if you are new? Should you just take all of your money and throw it into an ICO and hope for the best? Or should you put your money into stocks and ride them out for the long haul? If you're a US citizen, can you even buy ICOs? Today, you're going to be getting expert advice on investing from me, a person who cannot actually provide you with any real expert advice because, I'm not a financial advisor. Let's get it. Hello and welcome to BitBoyCrypto, your one-stop shop for all things related to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I make videos on this channel almost every single day. If you like what you hear or see, then please make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell to turn on notifications. If you'd like to take the conversation even further, then please join my Telegram groups, the Bit Squad for regular crypto chat, or Bit Squad traders to discuss trading strategies. All right, guys, so today we are going to be tackling the idea of investing. I've been getting a ton of questions lately about whether or not Americans can buy ICOs. So first, we're going to look at the best way for you to invest your money. And at the end, we are going to take on a deep dive of the subject of whether or not you can buy initial coin offerings as an American. Even if you aren't American, you're definitely going to want to listen to that segment. But before we do, we need to pick our winner for our Noels Contest from our video 2 days ago. All right, guys, I'm going to pop in the URL from the video from a couple days ago for our Noels Contest. Going to hit get YouTube comments. 200 different comments here. Okay, all right, now let's pick our winner. They have to have left a Noels address. You might see some negative comments on here. There were some on the video. And there it is, Janvi Shah. He said nice content and put his Noels address. That is going to be a winner. Okay, so how should you tackle investing? Well, the first thing you have to figure out is what are your goals? If you don't know what your goals are, then you will have no idea where you're going. And your goals could range from anything in whatever time frame you want to pick. You could be looking to achieve something immediately, short-term, long-term, or even life goals. You have to come up with a way to figure out if those goals are achievable. Let's look at an example. Bob wants to be able to take his wife on a vacation to Hawaii for their 10-year anniversary. He decides he needs an extra $10K to take her. 10-year anniversary is this year. In fact, it's May 1st. Today is April 24th. So Bob needs to make $10,000 in a week. Is that immediate goal possible? Probably not. The only way something like that could happen is if Bob already had $1 million or so. Then earning 1% in a little over a week could be possible. But if Bob were already rich, then he could just take his wife, no sweat. Let's look at another example, and this is one that I see people give to me all the time about their lives. Jim wants to retire comfortably. He believes that investing in cryptocurrency will allow him to do this. Jim invests in different altcoins. He's very proud of his portfolio. He has 7 coins that could moon. The problem is that Jim has a total of $63 invested over the 7 coins. Guys, if you think you're going to put $63 into crypto and retire comfortably, then you need to reevaluate. Yes, I personally know people who turned $500 into $500K basically overnight during the last bull run. But I also know a person who won the grand prize on a lottery scratch-off ticket. Not once, but twice. That doesn't mean I'm going to advise people to run out to their local gas station and start buying rolls of lottery tickets to get rich. Yes, that stuff did happen in 2017, but it was rare. And there's no guarantee it will happen again. So you need to be realistic with what you want to achieve. Can someone make $10,000 in crypto and investing? Yes, absolutely. Can someone retire comfortably with crypto investments? Sure, it's definitely possible. But could you do either one of those things in a month? Almost undoubtedly, the answer is no. Realistic goals would be something like make enough money to buy a house in 5 years or build up $1 million to retire on. You have to look at investing as a tool to help you move to different financial levels. The great thing about cryptocurrency, though, is that through crypto, you can usually achieve your goals much quicker than traditional investing, such as stocks or gold, as long as Bitcoin behaves in the future the way that it has in the past. When Bitcoin and altcoins go on bull runs, they are much more intense than other types of assets. So you want to keep your expectations conservative when you set your goals. But you can also keep in mind there is always a possibility that when Bitcoin goes on a tear, you can get there much quicker. Before you invest $1 into anything though, you should sit down on your computer or with a journal or notepad and write down your goals. These can keep you on track and keep you focused. Once you do this, then you can move on to the next step, which is research. You need to learn how to analyze and interpret data in order to make the best investments. One thing I say quite frequently is that for most people, doing their own research simply consists of them watching 5 YouTube videos and making an investment. But doing your own research is very important. The first thing you need to do is learn how to use CoinMarketCap or another free coin research site. You need to know how to look coins up and read the data available. Here's a great example of how unequipped many people are in cryptocurrency to make good investment decisions. I have countless emails and messages from my audience asking me where they can buy certain coins. Guys, this may sound harsh, but if you don't know how to use CoinMarketCap to look up where you can buy an altcoin, then you have no business investing in cryptocurrency. All you have to do to find out where you can buy a coin is go on CoinMarketCap, search a coin, and then scroll down the page to the coin's chart. Right next to charts is a tab called Market Pairs. Click that and then adjusted volume in order to be able to pull up every exchange the coin is listed on. But you need to be familiar with every tool on a coin research site. I use CoinMarketCap for my videos because it's the most commonly used one and the most people are familiar with it. In fact, it is the #1 most visited site in the entire crypto space. But there are plenty of others like CoinGecko, CoinPaprika, Coin360, and more. But if you can't do baseline research to understand the fundamentals of a coin, then you're really just throwing money at a ticker symbol because someone said so. There's a lot of information you can glean from free coin research sites. If you feel like you've mastered those and you want to move on to something much more advanced, you can give Tokenmetrics a try. This is a coin research site that has a ton of bells and whistles, including technical analysis done for you, price predictions based on AI, and much more. It has a 14-day free trial if you want to check it out. You can do that by visiting tm.bitboy.live. So when it comes to investing, you need to set goals and learn how to research. Those are really the 2 most basic things you need to have whipped before you can really dive deep into cryptocurrency investing. Now, I want to address another issue in this video because I've been getting a ton of questions about it. Many people have asked me about Americans buying ICOs, and I think there's a lot of confusion about what the SEC does. The Securities and Exchange Commission regulates the sale of securities and the operation of exchanges. There's a lot of questions on whether different projects are securities or not. In your pursuit of buying ICOs, you may have realized Americans are not really eligible to buy them. However, maybe you bought an ICO anyways due to an exchange or project basically having very loose restrictions on who can actually buy them. This is what you need to understand though. The SEC is designed to protect you, the investor. So if a company or exchange allows you to buy the project, then you're fine. You will not face any consequences or lose your investment. The exchanges are required by regulating bodies to do certain things like require KYC, which is basically customer verification to prevent money laundering. However, if they don't do that, then that is on them to face consequences. You cannot get in trouble for trading on certain exchanges or buying ICOs. Only the companies themselves could face consequences, which, unless it's an outright scam like a Ponzi scheme, pretty much equates to fines and slaps on the wrist. That's what we've seen all over the place. But now it's your turn. What do you think is the biggest tip you could give to new investors? Drop that down below in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please make sure to smash the like button and hit subscribe in order to join the fastest growing community in crypto, the Bit Squad. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. BitBoy out.